Number 12 is about naming angles. Name the angle in 4 different ways. Okay, so when we name an angle, we talk about if this is, we have a ray here, this is a ray, and this is a ray, and they share a common endpoint. Okay, when we go to name an angle, one way is to name a point on a ray, the vertex, the one that they share, and the other point. So in our case, it's going to be KLM. Okay, the vertex has to be the center letter listed. Okay, I could also reverse my K and M because doesn't matter which order you list those endpoints in from the ray. So it could be MLK. Okay, we can also sometimes name angles just by the vertex itself. So in this case, I could call this angle L. And then sometimes, not always, we're given numbers on the inside, which is always my favorite, but we could also name this angle 3. Now, sometimes you cannot name angles just with a single letter or with a single point in our case. Here's an example. What if we had something like this and I said, find the measure of angle A? Well, your question to me should be which one? Am I talking about this angle? Because this has a vertex of A. This angle has a vertex of A. Or we could be talking about this whole line right here because that has a vertex of A. This would be called a straight angle. Okay, so you have to, sometimes we get stuck using the long way. But sometimes we're lucky and we can just name it by the vertex.